everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be doing a birthday get ready with me. This beautiful cake and candles were sent to me by, sorry, the bouquet cakes and candles were sent to me by Divya. She is my best friend or sister, you can say. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check out her candles. I'm starting up with my contact lenses, and then I'm using a minimalist toner. Now contact lenses, I don't remember the shade, so I will just leave all the details in the description below. Next up, I'm using a Insight Cosmetics HD concealer. This concealer is really good because you guys know I have very deep dark circles. This concealer helps me cover it really well because it has a high coverage. Recently, I see myself using only this concealer, so you guys can understand how good the product is. Next up, I am going to start with James Charles eyeshadow palette. I'm using this beautiful light brown shade, applying it on the outer corner. I've applied this shade at least 5 to 6 times to achieve this amount of intensity. Doing the same on the other eye as well. Next, I'm going to apply a beautiful baby pink shine on my eyes. So let's get started, for which I'm using a small brush. Now I don't remember which brand this is, but then I will be giving you guys an alternative for this brush. You guys can check in the description. So how to apply a shimmer is, you'll have to start from the center of your eyeball, applying it on the inner corner of your eye, and then you have to use the same brush and give it a little shape so that your eye makeup looks really neat and beautiful, just like this. Now I'm using the same eyeshadow blending brush and merging the shimmer as well as the matte eyeshadow. That's it. Next, we'll use this Iba Halal Kajal. So this is from Iba Cosmetics. The kajal is very creamy and nice. After applying the kajal, I'm going to do a smudge eyeliner kind of effect. So I'm just using the same eyeshadow brush and I'm just smudging the kajal really well, like so. So you guys have to take small portions and start smudging this. That's when you will get that beautiful smudged kajal effect on your eyes. I have been enjoying doing this look. This is like my go-to look these days. So I thought let's keep it pretty simple for my birthday also. We will be doing the same thing on the other eye as well, just applying the kajal and smudging it really well. Now, if you guys are enjoying my content, then please do subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Every time you guys give me a thumbs up, I feel super motivated to create new videos. So yeah, that's about it. All right, so we will be continuing with the look now. Once I'm done smudging the kajal, now we will be applying the same kajal on the waterline of my eyes as well. So I'm using small strokes and applying the kajal in the waterline as well. Doing the same thing on the other side of my eye also. And I'm using a pencil brush now. In the pencil brush, I'm using the same light brown eyeshadow and I'm smudging it really well with the kajal, like so. So once I'm done with this, next we will start with our face. This is all for eye makeup. I also highlighted my inner corner. So for face, I'm using this Nykaa Cosmetics primer. This is a silicone based primer. It is really good, gives you a blurring effect. Then I'm using a orange color corrector. This is from Pack Cosmetics. The shade would be rusty orange. I like blending my color corrector with the help of my finger because it works really well. The products get blended pretty nice. You guys can do the same thing. Now I'm just patting this really well, and since I have a very deep pigmentation, I need a very nice orange corrector to cover up this. Alright, so once we are done with this, let's get started with the foundation. Now for foundation, I'm using this Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation. So this foundation is again, like medium sort of coverage foundation, but it definitely is not matte. You guys can see it's making my skin glow. It's more like on the dewy side of the finish. And I'm going to apply this foundation all over my face using the Sugar Cosmetics Kabuki foundation brush. You guys can also use a beauty blender to blend this, but I needed a real nice coverage on my face. That's why I used a brush. Again, for concealer, using the same Inside Cosmetics HD concealer, and I'm going to highlight my under eyes, my mouth area, my forehead, and the tip of the nose. And then we'll start blending this again. So once I'm done blending with this, next I will be using a K Beauty translucent powder. Now you guys know how much I love using this powder. This powder literally gives you like that blurring effect on the face. It makes your face super smooth, and it makes your face makeup stay for a very longer time. So I did this makeup in the morning around 8:30 or 9 o'clock, and it stayed really well till evening 6 to 7. So you guys can imagine. All right, so I'm just setting my face with this translucent powder. That is also a reason, because I'm from a oily skin, my makeup does not stay for a longer time, but this powder makes my skin so good, and it also makes my oily skin manageable. So yeah, next I'm using this Crayolan palette. This is a blush contour highlighting palette. I'm doing powder, contour, blush and highlight. And then now I'll start highlighting. So for highlighting, I'm doing it on the highest point of my cheekbones. Yep, I love highlighters. I always go overboard with them. Okay, next I'll be blending this up really well into my skin, after which I'm going to highlight the tip of the nose, that of the nose, the other side of my cheekbone, also my cupid's bow. Okay, so I did use a lipstick here, but again I lost the footage of it. The lipstick would be, it is a Sugar Cosmetics mini lipstick. The shade is Wooden by Nude. I'm using this lash curler from Gub, and I holded it there for 30 seconds on each side of my eye to get that extra volume. I wasn't in the mood to wear any sort of lashes. I wanted this to be a very nice, subtle day kind of makeup look. So for mascara, I'm using this Swiss Beauty mascara. This is good. It's not like the best mascara, but yeah, it is pretty okay. Doing the same on the other side of my eyes. Using the same one on the lower lash line as well. Alright, next up I'm going to use this Sugar Cosmetics setting spray, and I'm spraying it all over my face. That's it, you guys. We are done with the video. If you do enjoy such videos, please drop in the comment section so I can create more such videos. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care.